Welcome. Today I'm here to help you all because today I will give you a tutorial about how to draw. So first, if you want to learn to draw, you have to understand these three principles of basic drawing, and that are simplifying shapes, drawing contours, and understanding light and shade. Simplifying shapes. So in simplifying shapes, what we do is that we break the picture or drawing in different shapes, as you can see here. Remember, learning to break down complicated shapes into simplest forms and drawing them will result in accurate proportions and perspective. Drawing contours. Now, drawing contours involves creating an outline of a subject's shape, focusing on its overall form and boundaries. Like in this drawing, we can get the contour lines here. There's two types of contours which I use are outline contours. In this, we focus on the outline or the borders of the drawing, like this. And the second is interior contours. It is used to draw the inner edges like this. Okay, so I personally don't use the contour line usually. But if you are a beginner, you should learn the contours and practice them to get a better result. Light and shade. Okay, so the thing I'm going to tell you now is a bit complicated and harder to understand. Light and shade, this is used to give a depth, volume and realism into your drawings, like here. You have to focus where the light comes on the object. I'll explain light sources. Now they are easy to understand but hard to execute. First, primary light. So now in the primary light there is only one source of light, like in this drawing. And then there is secondary light. In this there are two light sources like this. Okay, so now I will discuss simplifying shapes in this video, and I will cover other two principles or topics in the other video. When we look at the world around us, we see complex shapes and forms, but as an artist, we need to break this down into simpler elements to draw them effectively. Simplifying shapes is all about reducing complex forms to their basic components. We will use shapes like circle, square, and triangle to build our drawings. Let's practice breaking down complex forms into simple shapes. For example, a cat's body can be simplified into a cylinder and a sphere. These are examples. See how much easier it is to draw when we simplify the shapes. Okay, I will give you some tips and tricks to keep in mind when simplifying shapes. First, use reference images to help you break down complex forms. And the second is practice, practice and practice. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial. Simplifying shapes is a powerful technique to improve your drawing skills. Remember to practice regularly and have fun. Meet you all in the next week.